this Slipknot hoodie. Slipknot t-shirt. Black pink t-shirt for my K-pop 12-year-old. So I'm waiting for my husband. He's in this 511 store. And we went to the Buckle and got my oldest son, who's turning 17, some clothes from the Buckle. So we got him this hoodie. It's really cute and it's really like trendy right now, this Western look. It was $36.95, which is awesome. I'm going to take that part off. Okay, we got him this hat. Harriet. We got him this belt with this big Harriet belt buckle. This was, what? It's a size 36. It was $56.95. That's what it looks like. And last but not least, we got him these jeans. And these are 33 by 36 Jake boot cut. And this is the wash. And they were $76.95. So I got all of that for $222 and some cents. But my mom and grandma had given me $200 to get him clothes for gifts from them. So he is going to be really happy because this week he was like, yeah, I think from now on I want to get all my clothes from the Buckle. So I'm glad it happened at birthday time and I had family members wanting to help with that. On the other side of the spectrum, my husband got this hoodie. It is Slipknot. And this is what the back looks like. It's like about 50 bucks, I think. And then from Hot Topic, he got this Slipknot t-shirt. Has this Ouija board design on the back. All of the shirts, I don't know if it was the shirts or every single thing in the store was buy one thing, get the next thing 30% off. So we got that for him, and then he got this for our daughter who is 12. She loves K-pop, girl or boy groups, and it's Blackpink. She was really excited about it, and it has like their tour cities on it. And then I got these for her for Christmas because she loves that movie Demon Slayer, and it's like little macarons that have the different people in them. So I'll probably give her one to start school with, and then I'll give her another one like in her stocking for Christmas. Just giving you a little desk tour. Fun, fun, fun. You guys, these are the flowers that my husband brought me yesterday. What a precious man. I love him so much.